Well, this happened at work. I don't know if you can see it, but big water spots. So, come home. Gotta go straight to the car wash. Yeah, that really sucks. And it's hot as hell out here. Or should I say he. Still got the title of piece of shit Fred. But it is very dirty. So let's go to the car wash in the middle of the week. Which I don't like doing, but what you don't want to do is leave those hard water spots in your car, because they are pretty tough to get out once they get on there. So car wash bound.
A few moments later.
That's not super clean, but it's way better than it was. And I think I got rid of the water spots. I will say ceramic coating does help with that. Like if you get water spot, damn, somebody got me right there. I don't know what that is. But if you get water spots, ceramic coating your car will definitely help when you wash it. Definitely help. That was like 30 minutes of wash time. It's a nice Cadillac. Alright, so now let's, I think I'm gonna get something to eat.
One eternity later.
Look at this Beamer, man. That's a 2016. $37,900. What is this? 535i. Damn, I would love to have this. This sucker is sweet. Yeah, get the 535. Is that brown or black interior? That's black interior, I think. Oh yeah, it's black interior. This right here is. This would be a good daily driver. This sucker's nice. As is, no dealer warranty. Let's see. 37,900. Where's the engine information at? Oh, twin turbo inline 6. Yeah. I really don't like turbo cars. They look much better in person than they do on the internet, because that is really sweet. 40,000 though.